Hey, fact fans! Did you know that frogs drink water through their skin? Have you ever wondered how frogs stay hydrated? It's not like you and me. They have a super cool way of drinking water. They don't need to sip it at all. Instead, they absorb water through their skin. Frogs have a special area on their bellies called the drinking patch. This patch is packed with blood vessels, and it allows the frog to soak up water directly from their surroundings, like a pond, a puddle, or even damp soil. So no need for a cup of straw. Frogs just sit or lie in water and let their skin do all the work. Frogs don't just drink water through their skin. Actually, they breathe through it too. Yes, they have lungs, but they can also absorb oxygen through their moist skin when they are in water. That's why it's super important for frogs to stay wet, or they can't breathe properly. If their skin dries out, they could be in serious trouble. Here's something even cooler. Frogs are amphibians, which means they live both in water and on land, and their skin plays a big role in helping them adapt to both environments. When they are in water, they can absorb all the moisture and oxygen they need directly through their skin. But when they are on land, they rely more on their lungs for breathing, though they still need to stay moist. You might see frogs hopping around near ponds or damp places because they need the humidity to keep their skin wet and functioning. And here's a fun fact for you. Some frogs even hibernate in water. In colder months, frogs like the common American bullfrog will bury themselves in mud at the bottom of ponds. And because they can absorb oxygen through their skin, they are able to survive without having to come up for air for months at a time. Pretty impressive, right? Did you know that frog skin is super sensitive? They can actually sense changes in the environment through their skin. For example, if there's pollution in the water, frogs can absorb harmful chemicals directly through their skin, which is why they are sometimes referred to as environmental indicators. If frogs in the area start to disappear or get sick, it could mean that something's wrong with the water or air in that environment. Next time you see a frog chilling by a pond, remember they are not just sitting there for fun. They are drinking, breathing, and staying alert to their environment, all through their amazing skin. Frogs really are some of the coolest creatures when it comes to survival, with unique superpowers that help them thrive both in water and on land. If you enjoyed learning fun facts like these, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing discoveries. See you next time, Nature Explorers!